Hello, everybody.
All right, Mr. Rockstedt.
Did I miss you guys a second ago?
I didn't miss you.
I thought my girlfriend said, I think they called your name. So, okay.
Yeah, I called it just a moment ago. Okay. Just waiting for your file to open up.
And honestly, my excuse, I've had like court dates. I thought all my court dates were through Olympia. I have like a few more cases through Olympia, and I thought all my stuff was through Olympia. This court, I didn't know I had one through district, so yeah, it was just shocking to me when I found out I had a warrant. I was like, what? I thought I have like four other cases in Olympia. So
right, when you have 66 cases, I could see how you could confuse them. Yeah,
it sucks, man. I need to stop this.
Yeah. I'm glad you said it so I didn't have to.
Yeah, man. I'm sick of it.
Okay.
I'm sick of it, everybody. I just need to grow up. Man. My father's passed. Everything's just been a mess for me, man.
Your Honor, the state would like to have some input on this one when you're ready.
You want me just to order the bail, impose the bail previously ordered? 5,000 cash or bond. Is that the state's position?
At this point, Your Honor, we definitely think that bail is appropriate. We would actually ask for a higher amount in this case. I mean, I don't have to tell you, this is a hit and run case originating in 2020. Since then, the defendants accumulated numerous criminal law violations, including assault, harassment, making false statements to a public servant. Defendant has an extensive criminal history that includes 2 convictions for obstructing justice and 1 for obstructing a police officer. I mentioned these charges specifically as they indicate a tendency to interfere with the administration of justice.
All right.
Defendant also has an extensive warrant history, including 1 outstanding in Lewis County.
Thank you. Ms. Moore, anything on the state's request for bail for Mr. Rockstedt?
Your Honor, without having gotten to speak to Mr. Rockstedt, I would ask that the court just quash the warrant and give him another chance. It sounds like he has a number of cases to deal with, and 66 cases. As the court said, that's a lot. I would ask that the court just give him another chance to keep doing this out of custody and get those taken care of. He is now aware that he has this case in Thurston County District. It's like,
is she delusional? He has 66 cases, and that's your justification for why he deserves a PR bond? I am seriously gobsmacked.
Okay. Well, I mean, Mr. Rockstedt, I know you've been aware of it before. You were in court.
I know, I thought it was through Olympia. Like I get it mixed up when I have so many of them. So it was just kind of confused. I'm sorry. It wasn't
okay.
Purposely.
Are you still at Unlimited Lane?
No, that's my mother's address. What's up? Olympia, Washington, 9502.
Okay. Thank you.
What was the zip code? 98 what?
502.
Feed him right now. I think you guys got my current phone number now too, my 253 number. So.
We do.
Yeah.
All right. First of all, I will reappoint public defense. Ms. Simmons was counsel. I believe she withdrew when you didn't show up for your trial date.
Just to confirm, Your Honor, did the defendant provide the same cell number that the court's been sending notice to?
253-261-2890.
Last four?
2890.
Yeah,
I just
you
got
don't
a
need to
message.
make the error.
That is different from the last phone number that we had in our file segment, so.
Counter hurts. It's painful.
I left this part in. You guys got to see all the, the tour of his house, and then he makes us lunch. He's quite the host.
All right, so Mr. Rockstadt, the last time you were in jail, I reduced the bail from $5,000 cash or bond to $2,000 cash or bond. You posted it, and then you didn't show up. So it's like, oh my gosh, what do I do
I thought it
here?
was through Olympia. I thought it was through Olympia.
No.
I
Don't
promise you.
do that. Yeah, never mind. Okay. I'm ordering you to report yourself to the jail this evening by 5 o'clock. So you have 45 minutes. Get somebody to take you there. You're going to be held on $5,000 cash or bond. Hopefully, Ms. Simmons can talk to you when you're in jail, where you're someplace that you're not going to leave from, and we can get this case going. Your bail's $5,000 cash or bond. You don't turn
I
yourself
don't have any
in.
money to
All right.
post that, sir. Please, I showed up to
That's-
court. Please, I'm trying, sir.
What? You haven't done anything in this case except call in. That's it.
I just got a
You've had
detox.
so
I'm not-
many-
sir, I'm so sorry. I just got a detox. I'm just trying to better myself, man. It's like, please.
But no, you haven't done anything in that regard. I mean, I
I
still see
did.
new offenses.
I'm 14 days
My
right
gosh.
now.
Okay, $5,000 cash or bond, the bail will remain. And if you don't turn yourself in, and they'll arrest you at a time it's really inconvenient for you. So the bail just remains outstanding for you. I very rarely do this, but in your case,
What
your
was the point
record
of me?
is so
like, what's
bad.
the point
No, I'm
of-
not
of
arguing,
cross
Mr.
warrant?
Rockstadt. Okay.
I don't understand it, dude. This is
Send that money to me now.
Mr. Rothstein, I'm gonna advise you to
You can you can go into the jail and get the case over with, or you can stay out on 5,000 cash or bond, and eventually somebody will arrest you on the warrant. That's the way it works. All right, thank you.
Send me some money though, fucking now.
All right.
Dude.
Okay, we're done. Thank you, Mr. Rockstadt.
Next, we're going to call State of North Dakota versus Jesse Lee Dill, case number 47-2024 CR 242. This is the time and place set for a bond reduction hearing. The initial bond was set before me on June 14th, 2024. It was subsequently lowered by the Honorable Judge Thornton on the first amended bond order on June 19th, 2024 to $500 cash or $1,000 surety, along with other additional conditions. Mr. Dill put in a request. What is your request, sir?
A PR bond or a 10%, 10% on the 500, sir, Your Honor.
Have you filed for a court-appointed counsel yet?
Yes, I have. I've just got the information today on who it is, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Anything that you want the court to know about any change in circumstances or anything?
I just can't afford $500, sir. I would like the court to know that I am no flight risk. I am making Jamestown my home. I do have ties here. I have friends here. I do have a job opportunity in the future at Super 8 or at the Hampton if I choose to go back there. There is no reason for me to go anywhere. This is not a big, dramatic case. This is just, I can take care of this. I just need to get out there. I need to earn some money. And I don't want to lose my property that I have at a motel room across from the SNR Truck Plaza. I've been there for a month and a little bit, and I have till July 1st, and then all my property's gone. And I want to get out there so I can get my stuff. I got family values that I would like to hold on to. And if I ain't out there July 1st, I'm losing my stuff. And I don't want to lose my grandmother's stuff that she gave me, and I can't afford $500, not from within here, but I do have a friend that will help me if it's a 10% on that 500.
Last time I had you in court, I believe you indicated you were working at the Hampton Inn. Had you started working, or you're not working, or what's?
No, I was supposed to start working, but this kind of hindered things up a little bit.
All right, so you're currently unemployed?
Yes, sir, I am.
All right. All right, Ms. Depute?
Your Honor, the state just contends that the bail amount as set initially was appropriate. The reduction is, I understand that the court made an order on that. I don't believe a further reduction is warranted given the totality of the circumstances.
All right. Mr. Dill, again, I was the one who set the initial bond, which was even higher in this matter, and that was based
Yes.
off the indication that there was warrants out of another state. The court is still concerned that you are potentially a flight risk, as well as reviewed the nature of the charges in this underlying case here. I believe that the current $500 cash or $1,000 surety is appropriate in this matter, and there has been no change in circumstance. Therefore, I'm going to deny your request at this time. If after 48 hours you're unable to secure your release and there's a change in circumstances, you can request another bail modification hearing. Again, this is something that you may wish to speak to your attorney about now that court-appointed counsel has been being provided. Do you have any other questions for the court, Mr. Dill?
No, sir. No, Your Honor.
All right, thanks. In this matter, we are adjourned.
They did not say what his charges were. It was just a bond redetermination hearing. Be safe, be well, sleep sweet, and much love.